Hello, my dear kids. Hope you all are doing good at home. So, our today's chapter is something about counting. Can you guess which is this chapter? Yes, it is our chapter number 2, counting in groups. So here we will learn how to count in groups. We will learn about more or less. We will learn about ordinal numbers. All these comes in this chapter. So let us begin. Now look here. How many groups you can see? How many groups of pencils are there? Yes, there are 3 groups of pencils. And now you count and tell me how many pencils are there in each group. Yes, it is 2 pencils are there in each group. 3 groups are there and 2 pencils are there in each group. So can you just guess the total number of pencils here? Yes, it is 6 pencils are here all together. Same way you look here now. How many groups are there? Yes, there are 5 groups. 5 groups of flowers are there. And how many flowers are there in each group? Just 1 flower is there in each group. So total, can you tell me the total number of flowers here? Yes, there are 5 flowers in this group. How many groups of flowers you can see? Yes, there are 5 groups of flowers. 5 groups are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups are here. And how many flowers are there in each group? Yes, there are 5 flowers in each group. So can you tell me the total number of flowers here? 5 groups and 5 flowers in each group. So the total number of flowers is 25. Okay, that is how to count in groups. So your second page of this chapter, there are many such groups. You can see many such earrings, beautiful pairs of earrings are here, glasses are there in that shop. So you just count it. Count the number of groups, guess the total number of things and write it there. Okay, so that is about counting in groups. Now you look. What you can see here? Yes, a basket of fruits. It's a basket full of fruits. And now look here. What is it? It is a shop with full of fruits there. Which is more? Can you tell me which is more? That is the fruits in the basket or fruits in the shop? Yes, fruits in the shop is more. Same way, a bundle of pencils are here. And a single pencil is there. Which is more? Obviously, the bundle of pencils is more. We have more numbers here. Now, in your next page, you can see some questions based on more or less. So, first question there is the number of teeth in our mouth. And 2 options are given there. More than 40, less than 40. Which is correct? Can you tell me how many teeth are there in our mouth? And in an adult's mouth? Yes, it is 32 teeth. So, which is correct? Is it more than 40 or less than 40? Yes, it is less than 40. Same way, 4 more questions are there based on this more and less. So, you just complete it. Okay, now look here. Which number is missing in this group? 1 is there. Then it is a blank. Then we have 3 and 4. So which number is missing? 2 is missing. So in this page you can see a naughty little dog. He has torn some pages of a book. So what you want to do there is you want to arrange the pages according to the correct order. Just looking the page numbers, you want to order that pages. And next we can see a puzzle. There it's a naughty cat there, not a naughty dog. So this naughty cat, he want to tie one poor little rat is there, Chipku. He want to tie Chipku's tail. As you can see, many poles are here. He want to tie Chipku's tail onto all the poles, starting from the biggest number to the smallest number. So now look here. We can see a group of animals standing here. Where are they going? No idea. Maybe they are going to see their king. Who is the king of the jungle? Yes, it is lion. So maybe they are waiting to see their king. So let us see who is standing first here. Who is in the first position? Yes, it is this. The giraffe is in the first position. Okay, so giraffe is the tallest animal in this world. So he is standing first. In our assembly lines, who used to stand first when we go for assembly? Yes, it is the leader. Leader stands in the front. And the second position, who will be there standing in the second position? It will be the smallest one of our class, isn't it? Okay, so here the tallest giraffe is standing in the first position. And who is in the second position? It is a little monkey. A little monkey is in the second position. So first tell me, now you tell me how many animals are there in the queue? Count and tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 animals are there in the queue. Okay, so giraffe is in the first position. Our little monkey is in the second position. And who is in the third position? Yes, it is a bear who is in the third position. Then can you tell me who is at the last position? Who is standing at the last position? It is a little cat. So first position is the giraffe, second is a monkey, third is a bear, fourth one, it's a horse, and fifth one, it is a leopard. Okay, leopard. And the last position, that is the sixth position, is our little cat. Okay, now look here. It's the story of a big carrot. So one day an old man, he planted some carrot seeds. Where do these carrots grow? Is it under the soil or above the soil? Yes, they grow under the soil. So this old man, he planted some carrot seeds. Okay, and after a few months, this carrot grew bigger and bigger. So he started pulling it out. Catching the leaf of that carrot. But he was not able to. So he called his wife, that is an old lady. So again that old lady came, they both started pulling it out. But still then carrot is still in the place, it is not coming out. So that old lady called her granddaughter. So granddaughter also joined them. But they three, now three are there in the line, but they three were not able to pull out the carrot. So this granddaughter called her dog for the help. So her dog came along with them, but still the carrot is under the soil. So dog called our little cat. Then cat came to help them. Now can you tell me how many are there? Yes, there are five. Five of them are pulling out a single carrot. But no. At last, this cat took the help of a rat. So now six are standing in a line, holding one behind the other, and they pulled out the carrot together, and the carrot came out of the soil, and it was a big carrot. And they all were excited. And what did they do with that carrot? They made gajar ka halwa. That is, they made carrot halwa. Do you all like carrot halwa? Okay, good. So now look, and some questions are here based on this picture in this page. That is like who was standing in the first position, who was at the fourth position. All such questions are here in this page. So all of you do it. Now look here. That girl, the name of that girl is Seema. She made beautiful design using bindis, her bindis. She took her bindis and she made beautiful design. So see how many groups are there here. Just count and tell me how many groups are there. Yes, there are 8 groups here. And in each group, how many bindis are there? 10 bindis are there in each groups. So if you want to make, that is, so 10 bindis are there in each group. So can you tell me the total number of bindis here? Yes, it is 10 plus 10 is 20. 2 tens are 20. Then 3 tens, 30. So 8 tens are 80 bindis are here. Now the question to us is to make 2 more groups of 10 bindis each. So how many bindis more we need to draw here? We need to draw 20 bindis more, 2 groups of 10 each. So 10 plus 10 is 20. So we need to draw 2 more groups of 10 bindis here. So can you tell me what is the total number of bindis here? Yes, it will be, tell me. Yes, it is 100 bindis are there altogether in this design. And this 100, there is a name for this 100. It is known as century. That is why it is written as Seema's century. Heading of this is Seema's century. Do you have the habit of watching cricket? Okay, you might have heard it like Dhoni scored a century in the last match. That means what is it? He scored 100 runs in his last match. So that is it, all about century. So this is all there in your second chapter. Thank you all for watching this video.